Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. As you saw when I was panning around, most of, or a large majority rather, of my garden and garden setup has been taken down. And I'm slowly but surely making progress. So hopefully by a couple of weeks, 2 to 3 weeks from now, everything will be removed and we'll be ready to make the move to the homestead up in North Florida. So today we're going to do my final harvest of my collard greens and my bell peppers, and I'm going to bring you along. So let's see, we have one pepper here that seems to have rotted off. So we'll get rid of that. Another one down here. Pretty nice size one. Kind of heavy. Okay, all of the peppers off this California Wonder have been harvested, and they're pretty decent sizes. Let's go do the collards. Love the smell of freshly cut collards. Nice handful right here. Hey, I'm going to go ahead and remove my crispy mint lettuce. Temperatures up down here have been in the 80s recently, and I don't want it to bolt. So I'm going to remove the whole plant, and then I'm going to clean it up a little bit. And this will be good for one salad. Here we go. So here's my final harvest of collards. Um, they're not as big as before, but it's enough for a meal, which is what we wanted. We have the crispy mint lettuce, and we have bell peppers. These are my onions and my turnips. I'm going to leave these in for another 2 weeks maximum. The turnips have not formed a root yet, and the onions are starting to bulb, but they're not ready. So hopefully within the 2 week window, they'll grow some. So I'll be able to have a harvest, small harvest, it as it may be, but it will be a harvest. These onions, they're my red Creole, are starting to bulb, as you can see. Not very big, but again, they will have the same 2 week window as the rest. Um, in this metal bed, I have my Swiss chard and a Chinese cabbage. Hopefully, they will get bigger. The Florida broadleaf mustard is going to come out. This is a cabbage. It looks pretty, but the head is not hard at all. So either way, within the 2 week period, it's going to come out. And we also have my giant megaton cabbage. This head is firm, although it's small, but I will have a harvest, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did our next to last harvest here in the small space garden, aka backyard grocery store. We were able to get 4 different types of collards, some lettuce, and some California Wonder bell peppers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food for myself and my family by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If also you can share my content and leave me a comment about what you saw on the video today. If you have any questions or comments, I will respond. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, give the thanks to God, for without him we are nothing.